Hello everyone, welcome to the next another brand new video. I hope you are doing great. So today we are going to learn names of 6 seasons, and here the names and British accent, also Bangla. Okay, so we will learn British accent. You know, British accent is common accent in Bangladesh. So let's begin. At first, summer, not summer. You can say summer. If you follow American accent, you can follow summer. Okay, but if you follow British accent, you have to say summer. R will be silent. R will be silent. Okay, so summer, 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 not summer. We can say summer. Summer mean গ্রীষ্ম, right? Summer mean গ্রীষ্ম. And rainy. Number 2, rainy, rainy, rainy. Okay, rainy, rainy mean borsha, borsha. And autumn, 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 autumn mean sharot, autumn mean sharot. And late autumn, late autumn, late autumn, late autumn mean hemonto, hemonto, hemonto. Winter, you know that winter means shit, right? Winter, winter. R will be silent. That's why winter. Winter, winter means shit. Winter means shit. Winter means shit. And finally, spring. Okay, spring, spring, spring. Spring mean বসন্ত. Spring mean বসন্ত. Again, repeat after me. Summer, rainy, autumn, late autumn, winter, spring. Summer, rainy, autumn, late autumn, winter, spring. Summer, summer গ্রীষ্ম, rainy বর্ষা, autumn শরৎ, late autumn হেমন্ত, winter শীত, spring বসন্ত. Okay. Alright, so don't forget to practice in your home. You have to practice a lot so that you can grab it, you can catch it, also you can tell it with everyone, right? Okay, so today that's on second. See you another next video inshallah. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.